Hi, this is Angie and welcome. So today we're gonna be doing an awesome unboxing of a new Cobb light that I was sent thanks to Zhiyun. I think that's how you say it. And if I'm saying it wrong, just let me know in the comments because, I'm terrible with these names. So this is a new light from Zhiyun and it's a collaboration with the YouTuber Cam Mackey. And this light looks super cool. I haven't got a chance to open it at all. They reached out to me to try out their latest new light. I've never tried any lights by this company before, so I'm excited to try it out. And this is the Molus X100 RGB Cob Light Pro. So this is their light with their Pro kit and that Cam Mackey design with them. And let's see what we got here. So it's gonna be an unboxing video so you guys can kind of see like what you will receive if you're looking into this light. So let's get to it. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys the box. Whoop. This is the box that comes with. It's freaking huge. And wow, this is huge. So this is everything that comes in here. I'm gonna probably bring it up, cover my face here. It has a whole bunch of stuff. This is like Christmas morning to me. All right, so we'll start with, it brings a little umbrella. Actually, no, it's a Softbox. It's the Softbox 40D, the CY mount. So this is like an umbrella that mounts into this light. Let's set it aside. And then, what else is in here? Okay, and then it also brings the balance mount adapter. So you can adapt any of your balance accessories onto this awesome little light. Whoop. And then we have the light itself. Let's get rid of this big box out the way. All right, so then it brings also the light right here. So we'll put that here. Okay, so let's start with let's look at the Softbox. Super excited. Boom. Comes in the Zhiyun little Softbox carrier. It's like a baby Softbox. It's so cute. Okay. It's probably great. This is probably great like if you do a lot of like shoots, like mobile, like on location shoots and stuff like that. This is great because it doesn't take like a lot of space, but you still have some sort of modifier to soften the light and you're not like just raw dogging it basically with just straight on nothing. Okay. Oh, wow. And it's like oh, look at that tiny little adapter right there. That's so cute. All right. So I love that it's like these quick softbox that you can just set up real quick. Has like a little, whoop. There we go. And they just click on really quickly. Place. So cute. So cute. And let's build this. I mean, that's what this is for. So it has, oh my God, it even brings a baby grid. See, if I was doing a collab with a company, this would be me. Like, I want like everything that I would need to control the light. So we have a little tiny inner diffuser. Let's build that. So this is my real time first look at this. So this is great, actually. This is big enough to like get a nice little bit of soft light, especially if you're shooting like close-ups and stuff. If you're shooting like close-ups, it's great. Get soft light. If you're shooting like detail, it's great. Little tiny baby grid. Boom. Awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough space in my frame here to like set everything so you guys can see everything here. And I did, when I got this light, I personally didn't know who Cam Mackey was, so I Googled and I did some research, and I did find his video about this light and why he made it, like how he made it and why he included certain accessories. And I really agreed with everything he said in the video. So if you want like a more in-depth review of it, I would suggest you go watch his video, because he will be the best person to review it since it's his product. Look how cute that is. This is perfect. Love that. I love how well, this is like really well packaged. Like it doesn't feel or look like cheap. And then it has a little tab here to open it. And this is the bounce mount adapter. Oh, wow, that's nice. So that you can attach it to your light and mount it onto other with your bounce accessories. Awesome. So now let's get to what you're here, which is this awesome light. See right here, we got a little tab. Ooh, it's Christmas. I love getting stuff and trying out. Oh, by the way, Zhiyun did send me this for free. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but if I didn't, they did send it out for free for me to try. They're not paying me. This is not a sponsor video. So this is just my honest opinion on what I think on first look of it. Not getting paid for this. So yeah. So here is the light. So just like my honest thoughts and first impressions. I like this. Okay, okay. I get it. All right. So, comes in this awesome brown pouch. I like the color. I like the color brown. I like lots of like more like earthy stuff like this. This reminds me of like cowboy and like bohemian and stuff like that. Like I have my camera straps that are leather, and this kind of gives me that vibe. And we have the Zhiyun brand. We have the brand. You can put in like a card with your name in case you leave this behind. They know where to contact you to get it to. And let's open it. This has the straps. I'm going to guess these straps are to attach the softbox when it's closed so that you can just put it in here and then take this with you, one thing. So you're not carrying around 1,000 little freaking things. It has this cute little logo on there, Zhiyun logo. It has a cute little card here where they kind of just, you know, tell you why they did it. Him using the light. Then we have, let's look in the pockets first. Is this, I don't know. We have a pouch here. I don't know what's the pouch for, but it has like a hole here. I will figure that out in a minute. Looks that. Some warranty information, product support manuals. What's that? Okay. Oh, in case you didn't see. And you can put things in here, accessories. What do we have here? Okay, so we have the battery pack. This light comes with a battery pack so that you can use it out on the field. You don't have to buy the external battery pack yourself. I guess their Pro kit includes the battery pack, which that's great. I love that. I hate when I buy a light that is supposed to be for like on location and then you have to go out and buy the battery pack because it wasn't included. It's included. Okay. You can also use it. You can connect it. It has the power cable. You can connect it directly to the wall. Power cable, huge power cable, because I believe this is like a pretty powerful light. I should do my research before like opening this up, but I believe it's a very powerful light, little, even though it's very tiny. And then we also have USB-C to USB-C cable. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is the light itself. It's like really nice packaging. It's like padded and everything for you. Everything has its little place. Oh my God, this light is so cool looking. It's like a leather, faux leather effect. It has a cap here. That's the light itself. It's very nice looking. Has a warning here. It has a fan so that you know that your light is not gonna get hot. That's like a lot of these LED type lights. So it has a fan to keep it going. Can adjust the light. I believe this is RGB. You can adjust the colors. Awesome. Look how, I'm sorry, like look how small this is. This is so convenient to just, I can just throw this on my backpack. And if I need like a very powerful light, you just pop this out and light an entire group of people with this tiny light. And then I can mount my big bounce accessory. I can mount a huge freaking softbox onto this little freaking thing, and I don't have to be carrying anything heavy. It's great when you're working on location, especially like when I'm doing weddings and stuff. I can just pop that out if I need to. Okay, it also includes baby barn doors. How cute is that? So that you can control your lights. I love that what they include like accessories like this, like barn doors. It's like so important being able to control the direction of your light. It's very important to me. I like to be in control of everything. So he included everything that's necessary for sure. And I think this is a Fresnel adapter, if I'm not mistaken. That's awesome on this little tiny thing. Let's mount it up and see if there's anything else. And that's everything that came in the packaging. Let's try it out. I'm gonna put this. I think that's what's called Fresnel. I've never used a Fresnel like accessory before, but first time for everything. I have little barn doors here. Oh, okay. It mounts with, it's magnetic. So I was like, how do I put this up? It's magnetic. That is, I love it. I love when everything's like just so easy to mount onto things. I hate when you're like trying to struggle. Little magnetic barn doors. And take this off when you want to put the battery. Then, boom. Take this out. Honestly, I don't know if the battery came pre-charged. And it did. It's like a 1%, but it has a little bit of rotate, select to power on. It had a tiny bit of charge. I think. There we go. All right. Oh, I have to select English. English. I'm selecting I guess you have to pre-select like the language on here. Want to make sure. There we go, in English. Look, oh my God, that is bright. That is so bright. I am not gonna point that directly at the camera. That is so cool. Let's, we're adjusting the Kelvin. So from like really warm, very cool, dope. Okay, I gotta go fast because I only have like, RGB. All right, these are paparazzi SOS, candlelight, bulb, bat bulb, TV effect. It's great if you're doing like video, lighting, strobe. This is so awesome. And this tiny little light has all these awesome like settings. Welding, CCT, flash, pulse, police, car, disco, fireworks, loop of hue flash, different colors I'm gonna guess. Pulse. Awesome. Okay, so that's the effect. Music. Okay, so you can make the light like do stuff to the music. Like I'm talking right now and the light is going every time I talk. That's cool. If you're doing like music videos, that's freaking awesome. Looks great. We can change all the colors. Here, we're going through all the different colors. Can change the saturation of the colors too, which is awesome. Very cool. That's like the colors. You can change them like so lightly, like the shades. Very cool. This is great. Great. This is gonna be awesome for like photo shoots. I don't have to be carrying out like gels to like gel my lights. Everything's like right here. Very cool. Very awesome. So yeah, that is the Cam Mackey light. And the way it has a tripod mount also. If you want to mount it, it has the light stand mount. So basically the balance mount adapter. So you can mount it onto a light stand if you need it to. That's great. And then we have the power cable at the bottom. And I'll show you a little bit of a close-up of everything. So far, I think this is great. I really like it. I'm gonna try it out and use it in one of my shoots, and I'm very excited to try this out. I'll let you guys know how I enjoy it. All right, guys, so yep, so thanks for watching, and I hope I see you next time.